Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So to perform this operation, what you have to do is to just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.